wanted to do the E-gate and show that, but they were closing it down and sending everyone to the good old-fashioned I&M agents. So I don't get to show the E-gate procedure. Bummer. So we were wheels down at 2:30, and now it's 3:03. So again, 33 minutes taxiing and old school hard stand. So here we go, waiting for bags again. The reason it takes so long for bags to come through here at Terminal 3, and I think also Terminal 4, is they x-ray every bag that comes in before they put it out on the conveyor. So it will take 15, 20, sometimes 30 minutes or more for bags to show up after you get through immigration. This is quite the crowd here at Terminal 3, and it looks like several folks are getting pulled aside in customs having their bags checked. And my experience there is if they pull you aside to examine your bags, don't worry about it. They're nice, they're kind, professional. It will only take a few minutes and you'll be on your way. So lots of planes landed at the same time, and so the baggage area is very crowded right now. And here's the famous Cancun duty free at Terminal 3. Always remember, I remind you each time, this is on this side of customs, and if you purchase something, you may need to declare it. So before getting something, do your research and know limits of whether or not you need to declare something. And so here is the exit area, and everyone here, their job is to get you to a timeshare sales presentation. And if that's what you want to do, then talk with one of these folks here, and they'll get you to your timeshare sales presentation. And you may or may not get finished with it today. So if you don't want to go to a 3-hour-long high-pressure timeshare sales presentation, ignore these folks and just walk straight out the door like we're doing. And we'll find our transfer service and head to the resort for a fun week. Here's the VIP lounge that a lot of people ask about. I don't see that it's much of a big deal. I'll pass, thanks. The porter took really good care of us, got us all settled in. He took care of all the paperwork and the button pushing, and I relaxed and enjoyed the scenery. Here in Terminal 3, this is the main airport for United, Delta, and American Airlines. And it's also used by Spirit and British Airways. Air Canada. Eh? When you just can't wait till you get home, here's Starbucks #1. With the changes, you do not have to stop by the INM office ever again, because there is no longer the need to keep the FMM form. It is a stamp and handwritten note of the number of days in your passport. And so here we are approaching security, and at the top of these escalators is the security area. They're very efficient. They look through things, move you through, and will take care of you, no problems. And so after going through security, here we are in the tequila department of the airport. That is some fine tequila there for $55. And they also have the cream. They also have the cream tequila here. And I know most of you have heard of a Irish car bomb. Well, here in Cancun, we have what's known as a Mexican cartel hit. And that is some of the 1921 cream tequila in a shot glass dropped into a larger shot of tequila, dropped into a half-filled mug of Dos Equis Amber. And you can imagine the rest. So one of us got a text that our gate had been assigned, but that assignment still isn't showing up on the board. So I'm questioning that reality and planning on an alternate reality where our gate really is not yet assigned, which is standard procedure here at Cancun Airport, Terminal 3. check these boards and check them again. Flight gate assignments can and will change. And they do not announce gate assignments over the intercom. So you do have to keep watch on the boards. Here's my wife's favorite store in the airport, Los Cinco Soles. I believe she and the daughter are t-shirt shopping at the moment.